Hey, so if you want to see how I created this look, super easy, super simple. Somehow I was able to do this look, and if I can do it, you can definitely do it too. All you need is your finger and glitter gel, specifically Plur Festival Makeup Glitter Gel, which is me and my twin sister's glitter brand, and you can, that's my sister, that's me. We used to put like Vaseline on our face, and then we would put loose glitter. We would try to like pat the loose glitter onto the Vaseline, and the problem with that is that it never would dry, so it would just wipe off very easily. So we decided to come out with our own glitter gel. Let me fix my background 1 second. I'm back, and I've taped it up with a lot of tape. This is a 20-gram jar. I'm just gonna be, for this look, I'm using my little sample. This is a 5-gram jar. It's really easy. All you gotta do is just grab some glitter gel with your finger and just apply it to your face. And you want, when you're applying it to your face, you want to apply it lightly. If you do it too hard, you're gonna end up creating a lot of space between the glitter. I'll do it on my hands so you can see. If you apply glitter too hard, if you go like this and you do it too hard, there's gonna be a lot of spaces. I like it to look kind of like this when I do my glitter. Like that. I like it to look like there's barely any spaces and like the glitter is completely covering your skin. Make sure you have a paper towel handy, because I always end up getting glitter all over myself, and if you don't wipe it off, it's just gonna end up in random places. Which obviously I forgot a paper towel, so I'm gonna go get one. Okay, I gotta roll. So first you just grab a small chunk of glitter. And you just lightly apply to your face. And I just get a little bit at a time. And see how that part's out of line? You can kind of push it with your finger to move it. So see, now it's in a straight line. And the reason why you can do that is because it's glitter gel, so it's not dry yet, so you can kind of move it and it's not really going to mess up your look. I just started doing looks, like I probably did my own look maybe a couple months ago, and I mean, you don't have to be a professional to do this, is what I'm really trying to say. Okay. This one's a little bit fucked up, but I'm just gonna move the glitter into place. Same with this one. This one's gonna be hard because I don't want to mess up this part, but I want to move this back a little bit, so I'm just gonna try my best. There we go, that was easy. Yeah, like I said, it's really easy to manipulate the glitter when it's wet and it's not dry. Because once it dries, you're not really gonna be able to move it. And you can even use your nail and like scrape. That's what sometimes I'll do, is just scrape it. I want to put more on the bottom here, so I'm just going to grab some more and put some more on. Same with this one. There we go. So this right here could be a simple look. You can just have that. I personally like to go all out, and I like to do something a little bit crazier. You can just kind of move it with your nail. So now I'm going to kind of tie it in with doing something on the forehead. I think what I'm going to do is kind of continue with the line. I'm going to start here and go like that and do the 3 lines like that. Oh. So if you happen to do a really thick line like this and you want it to be thinner, all you have to really do is push the glitter into the shape of the line that you want. Just push it in like that, and it works. I can't say this is gonna work for the type of glitter that you have. I'm just saying that this will work, this technique of just pushing it in and it's super easy. It will work with our glitter gel. So, you know, if you want our glitter gel, I'll put links down below so you can check it out. I would highly recommend this glitter gel over the other ones on the market. There's not really that many glitter gels on the market. There's mostly just loose glitter, and then you kind of have to figure out what the hell to use to stick the glitter on your face. But I would recommend make it easy on yourself. Go like this. Come in. What's up? I would highly recommend with every application of glitter that after you put it on, you clean off your finger. Whether that's wiping it on a paper towel, or what I personally like to do to not waste the glitter is if I have excess glitter, I'll just wipe it back into the jar. That way I can just reuse the glitter and I'm not wasting any of it. And now we're going to do the last stripe, so it's going to go right there. See, I just go like this with the extra glitter. I just wipe it back into the jar, and then I don't have anything on. So now we have the finished look. That's my tiger look. Like I said, I didn't plan anything out. I just decided to go with the flow, and this is the flow. Out of all the glitter gels in our collection, because we do have a lot, we, meaning me and my twin sister Jen, we have a lot of different options. Oh god. Depending on what kind of glitter you like. We also have super thin glitter like this. Glitter that mixes thin and chunky. So if you're watching this on YouTube, then you can check out our Instagram, which is where we mostly post a lot of different content and look ideas and stuff like that. And we're doing giveaways on there every single week, so if you want to try to win one of these glitters, super easy to win. We always make the rules really easy. We make it like tag your friend, follow, simple. If you don't want to try to wait to win, because the probability of winning is, I mean, there's a lot of people that enter, just buy one of these. They're honestly not very much. This is our 30-gram jar. This is going to be about $20. This is our 20-gram jar, which is our most popular, and this is going to give you about, basically this whole look right here, all of this glitter that I used. If you did this exact look with all of this, you would be able to do about 6 looks with just one of these, and this is about $15. So $15 is going to get you 6 looks using this much glitter. Most people don't use this much glitter, so if you even use half of the amount of glitter like this, you'd be able to get 12 looks out of this. Right now, we only sell glitter gel. In the future, we might be selling some other stuff. I'm not really supposed to reveal that. It's kind of top secret, but for now, we mostly specialize in the glitter gel. I'll do other videos in the future, like glitter hair, glitter lips, what other things, glitter brows. I can show you guys how to do all of that. Comment down below where your next festival is and what your favorite festival you've ever gone to has been. My personal favorite festival I've ever gone to was probably Electric Forest in Michigan. That was probably the most fun because it's a 4-day camping festival and it was awesome. And it was in a forest and it was really, really cool. I got to see so many different cool artists. Man, I need to stretch my freaking legs out. So if you want to check out our glitters, you want to buy some glitters, the time is now, because we don't make very much. We're kind of a small glitter company right now, and once we sell out of a glitter, we usually don't remake it. Until then, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.